Everyone, welcome to Unpaid Courses YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can add gig to your Upwork profile. Like Fiverr, Upwork also provide gig system. So to check how the gig system of Upwork works, you will need to log in as a client to the Upwork account. Then you will click on browse project catalog. After that, you will need to search for any service. Like I need logo design. If you are looking for logo design, then you will enter logo design. Here Upwork will show different gigs of different freelancer with title, uh, budget and reviews delivery date. So it's quite similar to Upwork gig system. To add this gig to Upwork account, first of all you will enter as a freelancer. Then you will click on my project dashboard. Then you will create project from here. After that, you will enter title for your gig. You will select optimize title for your Upwork gig system. Suppose I already select one title for my gig. After that, you will select billing account. After that, you will select category of your service, what type of category you are providing to a client. If you are providing custom application to your client, then you will select custom app. If you are converting website to into app, then you will select convert a website to app. So I am providing a custom app to my client, so I will select custom app category. After that, I will select platform Android app as a platform. After that, I will select native. My service is based on native development, so I will select native as an app type. After that, you will select technology, development technology. Like I use Kotlin uh, and Java and Swift. So these are the three development technology that I will use. After that, I will choose app purpose. I can select only 10 uh, purpose of any app. Like I can work in delivery app, educational app, map and navigation, uh, that I can work in chat app, kids, productivity, uh, entertainment, health and fitness, lifestyle and restaurant. So these are the three purpose of an app. After that, I will choose expertise, three expertise: localization, design, performance. So these are the three expertise. You can select any of them. Uh, so search tag is very important for the gig system. I will enter some gigs like mobile app design, mobile development, So you will enter only the related tags into the gig. Mobile, I can select mobile app as well. Mobile app testing. So these are the tags which is related to my service. After that, I will click on save and continue. So overview is done. After overview, I will enter pricing for my gig. There are three uh, type of categories: starter, standard, and advanced. Delivery date for starter: suppose I can deliver app in 5 days in starter package, 10 days in standard, and 15 days in advance when the application have some complex functionality. Then I will take more time, so I will deliver app in 15 days in advance. After that, there is you will select number of revision. So I give 3 revision in starter, 6 in standard, and unlimited in advance. And here is a number of operating system. I will provide one operating system, Android operating system in starter, and I will give two operating system, iOS and Android in standard and advanced. So I enter 2. After that, there is some options or price. uh, Suppose in starter I will give app submission, app icon, splash screen, and I will provide source code to the client. In standard, I give app submission, app icon, splash page, app integration, and source code. So you can select any option of. After that, uh, there is you will enter pricing for each package: 500, 1000, and 2000. So this, after pricing, you can also choose any add-ons. Suppose if someone want fast delivery, then you can also enter packages for fast delivery. If someone need additional revision, so you can also add this as an add-on. So if someone want additional revision, then I will take 30 USD for extra. So you can add add-ons. You can also add custom add-on. After that, you will click on save, continue. So overview and pricing section is done. After that, you will select picture and images or video for your gig system. So you will create attractive catalog image for your Upwork profile. You can add as many any uh, images to this catalog. So I will use this image as a project cover. After that, click on save and continue. After that, Gallery, you will enter some description. So I already write some description for this gig. So I will copy and paste. So this is the little bit summary of the project, services, work experience, and my approach to work. So these are the project summary. You can also define project step, your development methodology here in this section. You can also add frequently asked question. uh, you will add at least one step uh, to this. So you I will add uh, requirements. Client will give, I will, or you can say to client that you will project. So you can add as many as a requirement that you need to start the gig from your client. So you will add this and save and continue. You will review and finalize. You will select maximum number of simultaneous project, how many project you can handle in this gig simultaneously. So you can enter one or two of your choice, and you will select these check boxes, term of services. Then you will submit this gig for review. So in this way you can add gig to your Upwork profile. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.